Hello friends, I'm happy to meet you again. This is an attempt to bring to light how a kid can be in active interaction with an adult. Hi, AK7 doll. I'm happy to introduce myself. I'm your English friend. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hey guys, it's AK7 doll TV, and you can subscribe to me by my channel called AK7 doll TV, and I'm also collaborating with Konjaneram English. And let's continue, Mr. Konjaneram English.
Sure. Hi, AK7 doll. I'd like to know what you do during your free time.
What I do in my free time is basically just making math sums for myself and trying to complete it all, just get them all right. I know it's weird, but hey, if you're bored and your grandfather is busy that can't give you math sums, why not give it to yourself? And mostly, 100% of the time, all of them are correct. I play video games, watch the TV, play with my pet, and mostly that's all the things that I do in my free time.
Okay.
And play with my mom.
Okay, fantastic. Fine. I'm very happy to have heard things from you. Okay, fine. What's the topic you can comfortably speak on?
The topic I can comfortably speak on is fantasy. It's one of my favorite topics.
Oh, what is fantasy?
Fantasy is basically like, oh, I'm a witch. I can basically brew potions from my cauldron. Like, I have to cut like a frog's leg, just collect some carrots for some potion. Any type of potion that doesn't exist in real life. Potions don't exist in real life. So like fantasy can be like anything. Basically what I'm trying to explain what fantasy is, it is nothing like in real life. It's completely different from real life. And it's fake.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. I got flabbergasted. Okay, by the way, you speak very good English. How did you get that, no?
Oh, when our family was going to places like Goa, that was one of my favorite places, especially the beaches. Those are amazing. I usually talk to people like strangers in beautiful American accent. Like, hello, how are you? But very low pitch. Also with my aunt, with my mom. Basically, I only used to know English when I was growing up.
Okay, anything you want to ask me?
Yes. How to say hello without actually saying hello?
My goodness, I don't know. Please help me out.
You can just say hey yo. I mean, that could work.
Fine. What do you think about this interaction between you and me?
It's really nice. I haven't interacted with someone in the past 1 year.
Hello friends, I am taking leave of you.
Also, bye. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun to make and really simple. I love the topic. It was just really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to Konjaneram English and to my channel as well. And bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.